Hello Delhi, how are you all doing today? कैसे हैं आप सब? बढ़िया? Tension में तो नहीं है? You're going to be having some amazing time throughout the day, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. The weather is kind. It's not just any other Saturday that you're going to be, relishing the entire day, but today is the Be Good Day. Are we all set ready to start off the festival? My name is Krishna Verma and I'm going to be your host for the lovely day ahead, and I heartily welcome you to the 4th edition of the Be Good For You Festival. Be Good For You. A wonderful kind of celebration of wellness, music and some real conversations. I am sure everyone knows about the Be Good tribe, but the few of you who are new to this movement, Be Good is not just a festival, it's a belief, a vibe, a community. It started with just a simple idea that a little bit of goodness can go a very long way. And with every edition, we have stood for something that truly matters. So when we started off the first chapter, we stood for her, championing the women's rights and safety. It was super successful with all your support. And in chapter 2, we brought and we spoke up for Earth, advocating for sustainability and conscious living. And chapter 3, we stood firm for Manipur, amplifying the voice that needed to be heard. And ladies and gentlemen, this time, wellness is the key. And the chapter 4, it's all for you. A day entirely dedicated for you. So can we have a huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls? A festival designed to heal, inspire, and uplift you. Because let's be real. Let's be very real. Life gets very crazy with ups and downs and hustle and buzzles of life. Mental health is real, and it's a real issue across the globe, ladies and gentlemen. So we all need spaces and breathe and connect. Connect to whom? Connect to ourselves, ladies and gentlemen. So here, today looks like a good day, a Be Good Day, because we got some real conversations happening, some real amazing workshops, and yes, music too. So healing workshops, we're going to be having some best minds in yoga, EFT, dance therapy, and sound healing, and to help you reconnect with yourself. And we're going to be having some real conversations, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to be having some amazing, powerful speakers like Sadhvi Bhagwati Saraswati ji, actor Shantanu Maheshwari, and Nako from USA, diving into mental health, resilience, and finding purpose for your life. And we're going to be having unbelievable music with 30 plus artists, including Nako from USA, Parikrama and friends, and Nalayak and Pulkit Jain, and many more artists performing on the big stage out there in the evening. So this day is filled with celebrations, music, and wellness. Ladies and gentlemen, wellness is the complete integration of body, mind, and spirit. And self-care is not selfish, ladies and gentlemen. So today, we start up this beautiful day with the workshop, which is much awaited and much needed. Yoga, been given by India, by Bharata, spread across the world, and yoga has to be the life, the living style of everybody. So we got a very renowned yoga and Ayurveda practitioner. She has been running Om Yoga Shala for more than 25 years in New Delhi and practicing and teaching yoga to be a lifestyle for everybody. She has written an amazing book called Shining Yoga, which has been translated in more than 7 languages, and it is the top selling on yoga, which has been there across the globe. So ladies and gentlemen, let welcome on stage for the sacred session on yoga, which is going to be by Mini Shastri. Everybody, let's put our hands together for Mini Shastri.